In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into PostFinance in Switzerland. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, we need to make sure you have your eFinance access. So before you can log in, you need your eFinance credentials. Now, you get these when you set up a online banking account with PostFinance, usually sent by post. Now, this will include your eFinance number or username and an initial password. If you haven't signed up yet, you can always request the eFinance access on the PostFinance website. But if you already got your credentials, what we need to do from here is go to your Player App Store. Now we need to do a search, type in PostFinance, here it is here. Now we need to make sure we get the right one. So it's PostFinance app by PostFinance AG. It's got over 40,000 reviews and 1 million downloads. So from here you want to go ahead, download and install. Now the screen's blanked out for security reasons, but basically open up the app and then you want to go ahead and click on login now. We need to allow notifications for PostFinance. And then on the next screen, it's going to say, put in your username or eFinance number, password, and then go ahead and click on to enter. And then that's going to log you into your PostFinance Switzerland account using the application.